Hello everyone and welcome to this new course. In this course, we will go over the entire process of creating a gramophone using Blender and Substance Painter. We will go over the complete pipeline of creating a high quality realistic prop, starting with modeling the prop in Blender, texturing in Substance Painter, and finally lighting and rendering a portfolio piece in Blender. This course will help you improve your 3D prop modeling and texturing skills massively as we go through each and every step together and learn many different techniques. After finishing this course, you would easily be able to create the renders shown in the trailer and create high quality props of your own. This course has over 4 hours of content and all the resource files required to complete the course, including the models, Substance Painter files, textures, and everything, are provided within the course itself. We will go over each and every step in this course together and nothing will be skipped. We will start by modeling the prop in Blender and learn various different modeling techniques and also learn a lot about different modifiers. After finishing the modeling, we will apply all the modifiers and UV unwrap our model for export. We will import our model into Substance Painter to start with the texturing process. We will start by making the mesh maps for our model. We will learn to create high quality and realistic smart materials like wood, iron, etc. And the key features of Substance Painter like smart masks, generators, smart materials, etc. After modeling and texturing our main model, we will also model and texture a vinyl CD to enhance our renders and give them a little bit more detail. At last, we will take our models back to Blender and render them. We will set up the material, lighting, and the cameras and learn how to use HDRIs to light up our scene. We will finish the course by taking a portfolio ready render and a little bit of Photoshop editing. The course is for everyone who has a basic understanding of Blender and Substance Painter and wants to upgrade their skills. So I hope to see you there in the course. Thank you.